Oh. Where's my goddamn screwdriver? That's pretty bright. God dang it. Woohoo! Boom. Boom. Yo guys, welcome back. Where the hell's my microphone? Dang it. I think this sound is going to be a lot better. Anyway, another Jimny video. Can you see those fumes? Yeah, is that fumes? Not really. Anyway, it is very cold in the garage. My heater, the little stove we got over there, the owner of this garage installed over there, it's not working. So it's pretty cold in here, but we got a job to do today at Jimny. LED bar, OSRAM, big ass LED bar. Look at this monster, god dang it. And as you can tell, I also bought the little LED. So yeah, it's a lot of work. I did study electricity in high school. I never finished school and I really didn't like electricity. So yeah, not really sure how this is going to work out because it's not plug and play. You gotta cut some wires and weld some wires. Do you weld wires? Probably do. So yeah, let's get started. Pretty scared. So first thing I have done is, of course, I mounted these brackets, and this is a special part from Frontrunner that perfectly fits the OSRAM 42. Was it 42 or 42 inch or 41 inch or 40? I had to take the box, but it's not on the box too. So it's the FX1000 CBSM, and I think it was like 42 inch. Yeah. Anyway, so Frontrunner does make this special cover for the light. So if you're driving, you can... God dang it. So if you really need the LED, you can just fold this Frontrunner part down. And when you're done driving and being a complete idiot, you can fold it right back up. So bugs do not fly into your LED, and it doesn't get damaged if you're like going really badly off-road, you know. Just like that. See that? Good stuff. Oh. Yeah, it's not blue. It's not blue. It's just it's the foil. It's the wrap. Keep it safe. It's the last thing I'm going to take off. You gotta protect the light. Here we go. That's that. Protected light. Some bolts and some nuts. And my knee is a little bit in a better shape, but it's still not what it used to be. So yeah, gotta have that checked out again. God dang it. It's not really easy filming and working at the same time. I really think I should hire like a videographer, whatever. Not really sure. Where did I left my... God dang it. Lost some material, ladies and gentlemen. I lost some material. Where's my goddamn screwdriver? Look at that. LED bar is mounted and you can't even really tell there is one on. See that? Can't even hardly tell. Yeah, buddy. And now it's time for the worst part. Electricity. Oh Lord, what have I done? God dang it. I seriously hate electricity. Seriously hate it. Let's go. Oh no, wait. Turn out the lights. Before I put on the first one, before I get on to the electricity for the front one, I'm gonna install the rear light too. Yeah. And there we go. We got the rear one installed. Pretty simple job, pretty quick job. So it wasn't that hard. Easy fix. Now wiring. So there is two kinds of people. You got the people that let the wiring go next to the window, and you have the kind of people that just drill a hole into your original Suzuki and go straight down. Now, yeah. I seriously love my Suzuki Jimny, and no way in hell I'm going to drill a hole anywhere in the car, like anywhere. So I'm going to use some kit and get it just in the side of the window like that, so you can't even tell it's there. This panel, not that one, this one is pretty stuck. I really haven't figured out yet how I can get this undone, but anyway, probably you have to undo this one first. So if you stick your hand underneath there, underneath that one, you can just pull it up and let your wires go underneath. Put it back in, snap it on, click it in, and you're good to go. Look at that. Decent. Now, as for wiring goes, you got these universal driving lights connection kits, and they actually just fit. They actually just click onto the LED bar. So like that, see that? So the wiring just clicks on, and then there is like a little bit of extra fabrication. It's not that hard because, well, the original switch is like a little one, and I don't need this little switch. No, I do not. I want these these small Jimny switches that fit next to my dash. But of course, I could also just drill a hole inside my Suzuki Jimny dash, put this switch in, and I'll be done. But I seriously do not want to drill holes in my original Suzuki Jimny. Yet again, I want to keep it original. Gotta keep it decent. I'm not gonna drill any holes. Fuck that. First things first, we're gonna do a little mock-up. So make sure that the LED actually works before I install everything. Wouldn't be the first time that I install a lot of parts and it doesn't work. Anyway. That's pretty bright. God dang it. And like I said, it's still blue. Still have to get the cover off. But the cover is for last. Now, I'm not really sure, but if you want to get inside of your interior with your switch cables, there's like a rubber seal down there, and you can just, well, I use this one. Yeah, it looks like something they use and make in prison to kill some guards, but you know, I just poke it into the rubber, poke it through, and pick it up down there. And then guide it all the way up there where it needs to be. Now, however, I am pretty sure you can get all of these things with a remote control also. So you don't actually have to take the wires inside. But yeah. Let's turn out the lights and let's see what we got. Whew. Yeah, camera's freaking out. That is a lot of light. God dang it. Like seriously, this is... Camera's like, no dude, don't do it. Don't record me, look at that. God dang it. Small little issue, so this button was illuminated all the time, which means that my battery was draining. So I had to do a little flick of the switch. I had to change some wires in the background, so yeah, now it's... See that? That's better. It's only gotta be illuminated when I put it on. There we go. And yet again, mocking up the little one. That. Let's try it in the dark. This is just a very tiny LED in the back. Look at that. Nice. I have been putting a lot of time in this. The only thing I have to do is put in the little switch for the little back LED, and that's about it. It is already 5 o'clock in the evening and I am very, very hungry, and my kid wanted pizza. So yeah, if your kid wants pizza, you're gonna get some pizza.
5 minutes later.
And I'm back. Just had some pizza. Hawaii with pineapple on it. I know. Italians probably stopped their subscription to the YouTube channel. Anyway, it is already pitch dark outside. Still have to work out switch. Gonna work out switch really fast, and then let's get outside. and try the LED. Everything is fused off. I got 2 fuses for 2 systems. I got relays. The buttons are in place. I'll show you the buttons. It's nice. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Woohoo! Boom. Boom. Yeah, of course, light is on in the garage, so you don't really see a lot. Anyway, let's take it outside. Quickly! Very cold. That's a lot of light. God dang it. So this is just the normal lights, and this is the LED. Look at that difference. It's a little foggy. Holy cow. Boom. And having a look from the inside, this is the normal light and this is the LED. Look at that, it's even showing the fog. That's crazy. Look at that. So normal lights. Boom. And as for the backside, this is normal, and this, god dang it, is the LED. Normal, LED. So yeah, that is a lot of light. If you have any questions about the product, stuff I'm using, where I got it, got some Fanta taste, where I got it, how much I paid for it, if you need a link, if you need some tips, helps, whatever, just let me know in the comments. I'm pretty pleased with this OSRAM 42-inch. Fits the Jimny perfectly. Gonna do some more videos when it's more light. Maybe tomorrow, not really sure. And I can show you guys a little bit better. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in yet again. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya! Drive safe.